Okay, treating your bed for bed bugs. When you treat your bed, the product of my choice is diatomaceous earth. Now, I'm not talking about treating for a nest. I have another video for that, but treating your bed with diatomaceous earth. You are not going to put powder all over your whole entire mattress. You only need to put powder around the seam of the mattress, all the way around the seam, the top fold and the bottom fold. Now, all depending on how many folds, sometimes your mattress comes with 2 or 3 folds. Mine have 3. I'm going to insert a small picture or a short video, and it'll show you all 3 layers of my mattress, and those are the folds that you will have to put the powder on all the way around. So I'm going to show that fold now. Okay, so that was the fold. Now you put the diatomaceous earth top and bottom all the way around. For your box spring, you do the same, but your box spring, you're only going to have that top fold mainly. I don't know if it's a bottom fold, but you have that top fold. I don't have a box spring. And you can cover the whole box spring because you're not laying your head on the box spring. You can cover it, but just a light dusting. You don't want white, cakey, chalky powder everywhere. Just a light dusting on your mattress and your box spring. All depending on what kind of headboard you have. You want to treat your headboard as well, especially if it's wood. You want to put diatomaceous earth down in the frame, all the way lining the frame, like where your box spring lay on your frame. Put diatomaceous earth all around that frame, on your floor. The 4 legs of your bed, the frame, or however frame, if it's 2 legs, 4 legs, whatever, circle it. Put diatomaceous around it. You trying to intercept the bugs from whatever way they can get up to your bed and your wall. Don't put your bed on your wall. Keep it sort of away from your wall. Don't let your bed lay flat on your wall. That's how any kind of bug can crawl from the wall to your bed. Keep your bed a certain length away from the wall. If you have a wood headboard, put down in the cracks and crevices, because they're there. I'll put diatomaceous earth powder down in the cracks and crevices of the wood. Line the bed frame all the way around, the metal frame, whatever kind of frame. Line it with diatomaceous earth. Your mattress all the way around the seams, top fold, bottom fold. If it's 1 seam, that 2, 3, 4, however many seams your mattress have. The box spring all the way around it, and you can cover the whole entire top box spring. The floor, the legs, put diatomaceous earth, circle it around it on the floor. And that's how you treat your bed. It's not really hard to treat it. The hard part, again, about bed bugs is when you got them and you're getting bit and you're getting bit. The first thing to do is try your best. I can't say don't panic, but try your best to be as calm as you possibly can and just take your time and try to treat thoroughly. One of the biggest reasons a lot of people cannot get rid of bed bugs is because, number 1, they don't know how to do it. Number 2, when I give the information, you get the information, you still don't do it properly. You don't do it right. Well, the sun went down or something, it kind of shifted. Now it got kind of dark in here. But you just don't do it right. You're not applying it right. Why? Because you're scared. So first you calm down, you take a breath. You go over the instructions, because I'm very thorough in how I tell you how to do things. I have an ebook. I will always share and suggest that everybody get that ebook, because you can encounter bed bugs more than once. And when you know how to get rid of them, it makes all the difference, just knowing how to get rid of them. When you don't know how to get rid of them, that's where panic sets in. Then you start doing all kinds of stuff. You start spending unnecessary money. You start throwing things away. And that's another thing, don't throw anything away. When you find that you have bed bugs, do not take your bed, your furniture, everything, and just toss it outside, because you're creating a problem for somebody else that could possibly come right back to you when you get rid of them. When you throw something nice out, people grab it. They take it. and they end up bringing it back inside the apartment complex, especially if it's a building, and you get it again. If it's a housing complex, if the house is connected, like they detach, they go through the walls and through the outlets and through the vents. So it's very easy to pick these bugs up from different places, but that's how you treat your bed. I'm going into something totally different. I don't want to make it too long because this is about treating your bed. But that's how you treat your bed. You know, if you have any questions, put it in the comments. I will add the link to the ebook. I'll add the link to the ebook in it. I talk about the ebook a lot, guys, because too many people are coming up with these bugs now. Every time I turn around, somebody, it's bed bugs, bed bugs, bed bugs. Now they're talking about fleas. Now they're talking about other bugs. But these bugs are here and they're here to stay. If people would just buy this inexpensive ebook and have the ebook around for anybody, you can get bed bugs, a family member can get bed bugs, a friend can get bed bugs, anybody could get them. And once you know how to treat, you know how to treat. So that's it. That's just it. So thank you for tuning in and watching. I hope this was informative for you, and I hope if you do have bed bugs, you take the advice. See you on the next one.